Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Let him lay, let him lay, let him lay. He's stone dead.
Logan and I shot right together.
Shoot that one. Yeah, we're gonna have to walk out and get that one. Let's pick them both up. Shoot these right here.
One's on, heads up, heads up.
I'll get it, I'll get it. We got pintails.
What'd you say?
2 pintails.
Yeah. I'm gonna toss this one to you.
Get him. Shoot him. I think it's a, yeah, that's a pintail anyways, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's a Drake pintail. Let it.
I should have had him. I don't know how I missed him.
That's a mallard. God, I jumped too early. I thought he was going to come right across.
I thought he was going to come right in front.
That was my fault.
Instead, he went around behind us.
Yeah, I shouldn't have shot at him because there he goes. That's him.
Yeah.
That's a Drake pintail. There's so many pintails. I don't want to shoot another one right now.
I'm not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll shoot the first hen I see.
Shoot him. Shoot him. Shoot him.
One. Oh, sorry, I just smacked you with that shell.
He's done. Uh-oh.
I'll go over and get him. Good.
That was a good shot you laid out there. A little nerve-wracking.
When it first came up, I didn't want to shoot it right then because I was only like 10 feet from it.
Oh.
And it went the right way. So I was like, I'll just let it fly for a minute, for a few seconds, and then shoot it.